My soul is among the lions, and I'm setting fire of the sons of men whose teeth are spears and arrows of sharp swords. Be thou exalted, oh my God, above the heavens, let thy glory be above the earth. Prepare a net for me, for my steps. My soul is bowed down. They have digged a pit before me into the mist thereof. They are falling. Merciful to me, for my soul trusts in thee. In the shadow of thy wings I make my refuge till these things pass away.